Welcome back, dear students. In previous video, we discussed the nature of unemployment. Let's continue the topic. Today, we discuss various types of unemployment. Unemployment is a regularly used term and normally refers to those who are out of work. In strictly economic terms, the unemployed include all those who are able and willing to work but cannot find work. This includes the pool of persons who seek work through employment exchanges, friends, relatives, and other contacts and express their willingness to get employed. First of all, we discuss about open unemployment. First of all, we understand the meaning of open unemployment. Those individuals who are ready to work at current wage rate and possess qualifications too, means they having eligibility to work but do not get any job opportunity are said to be fully unemployed or openly unemployed. This type of unemployment is basically seen in developing countries where labor supply is more than the demand of the laborers in the market. In comparison to villages, this type of unemployment is mostly seen in the cities. The people who are suffering from open unemployment, those people consume goods and spend. Hence, they become a burden and reason for low productivity of the country. Open unemployment can be seen more among the age group of 15 to 25 years. To get proper number of open unemployed people, it is very difficult. Still, there are three methods: through registration in employment exchange centers, second through sample survey for labor supply, and third through census. Next type of unemployment is underemployment. The most horrifying kind of unemployment is when the educated youth are not able to find appropriate job to suit their qualification. When the laborers cannot utilize their capabilities fully and for a certain period except less capable job is said to be underemployed. In India, we can see this type of unemployment very often. For example, a person with the degree of computer engineer works in a garage. A CA is working as a clerical staff. Another example of underemployment is, for example, if a worker is able to work for 8 hours per day but gets opportunity to work only for 5 hours a day, it is a type of underemployment. Next type of unemployment is disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment means hidden unemployment. This type of unemployment is very common in developing countries like India. This type of unemployment really paralyzes the Indian agrarian scenario. In this case, more workers than required are engaged on the farm, where not all of them are actually productive, contributing to creating output. Thus, the marginal physical productivity of many workers is zero. This happens when almost the entire family engages in farm production. Even then, very less members are required on that farm. In India, population is constantly increasing. Hence, people demanding employment is also increasing at higher rate. But in India, poor development of sectors other than agriculture puts heavy burden on agriculture sector for employment. Next type of unemployment is cyclical unemployment. Cyclical unemployment is when there is a greater availability of workers than there is of job vacancies. Cyclical unemployment happens when there is lower demand for products due to the lack of consumer confidence, disinterest, or reduction in the consumer lacking of consumer or spending due to less disposable income. This would make the firms cutting back their workforce in production and maybe using capital good instead. Therefore, there wouldn't be enough job for the unemployed. Cyclical unemployment is called cyclical because it is linked to the business cycle of the economy. America experiences severe depression during 1929-30s and its effects was faced by many countries of the world. That is why this depression was known as a Great Depression. Presently also, sometimes developed countries like America, England faces this type of unemployment. In India, due to capitalist market mechanism, every now and then cyclical unemployment is seen. Indian diamond industry faces this type of unemployment. Next type of unemployment is frictional unemployment. When in production process because of changes in demand or production or due to change in taste and preferences or new technology, new goods enter in the market and unemployment arises. Then this unemployment is called frictional unemployment. It is basically a problem of developed countries. When old production system is replaced by a new production system, then the units with old production system face economic loss and shut down. As a result, the laborer working in those units remain unemployed till they don't learn the work according to the new technological demands. This unemployment is for a short term. Overall, frictional unemployment happens when it takes the labor market time to match a worker up with a new job. For example, when a smartphone replaced old mobile phones, then the laborers engaged in production, sale and service of old mobile phones become unemployed. This is frictional unemployment. That's all for today. Dear students, in next video we will discuss about causes of unemployment. This is very important topic for your examination point of view. Thank you.